Hey everyone, my name is Navin Malik and welcome back to Data Architect Diaries. Let me start with a horror story. A data engineer runs one line of SQL on a Friday evening. Because it's just a temp table, we don't need anymore. Gone. Monday morning, 3 dashboards are dead, a finance report is empty, and 2 terabytes of source data are gone. Now here's the twist. His colleague ran the exact same command on a table with the exact same name in the exact same catalog and lost nothing. The files were still sitting safely in storage. Same command, opposite outcome. The only difference? Today I'm going to show you why that happens and I'll prove it live in Databricks. Let's go. So at its heart, this whole topic comes down to one question. Who owns the life cycle of your data? Let me introduce our example for today, and we're going to carry this one table through the entire video. Imagine we work type of a credit card, every online checkout lands in sales_events. Now, when you create that table in Unity Catalog, you're making a quiet but massive decision. You're deciding, does Unity Catalog own the physical files or do I? If it's a managed table, Unity Catalog decides where the bytes live, optimizes them for you, cleans them up, and deletes them when you drop the table. You're handing the keys to UC. If it's an external table, some path in your own ADLS or S3 account, and you own those files forever. Unity Catalog just governs access to them. It's a tenant, not the landlord. That's the whole idea. Everything else flows from this one ownership question. Keep sales_events in your head because we're about to watch it both lives.